Part 2. Sorry, guys. Oh, it's never convenient. Never convenient. All right, so as you hop on, say, hey, let's start this over again. We already did one of our little DIY projects, but I promised you two. This was the first one. As you hop on, say, hey, let me know if you caught the first project that we did. And I apologize for the hopping around. You can't ever guess. You can't ever guess what all is going to interrupt your video. So we just finished this DIY. We're going to do one more DIY with the other pot holder, because remember, we got 2 pot holders at the Dollar Tree for $1. So they were 50 cents each, which makes them a super easy project, a super affordable project. I hope everybody can go out and grab one. But I appreciate you guys hopping back on to part 2 of this afternoon of DIYs. Thank you so much, Janice. That was super sweet. So if you don't mind sprinkling this part 2 video for me, we can spread the love on this one too. All right, so here is the first one. The second one we're going to take the same exact pot holder, pretty much, and we're going to fold it in half. We're going to fold it in half. So I have it like this. Nothing special. You can see the inside. You could do all sorts of things, y'all. You could fold it a third of the way up and make it a great little pouch for just if you sealed the sides. You could make it a great little pouch for pens or sticky notes, and you could magnetize the back here and then flop that against a fridge or a workspace. But we're going to take it halfway across. Get it over here. Oh, thank you so much, Janice. I appreciate you. Everybody, I thank you so much for sprinkling it again. I can't guess when it's going to go off and then back on. But hey, we got 2 videos for one today, right? It was 2 DIYs and 2 videos. So I'm literally just going to glue the edge about halfway for one side. And I didn't even think about what side. So it's fine. I don't know why this isn't sticking. Here we go. I'm going just on the inside of the edge. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Give me 1 second. And I'm only going to the loop. So I'm going to show you before I put it together. I went from here all the way up to about the hoop, okay? So I'm literally going to fold this together right there and hold it down for just a minute. Well, hello again. Yes, Leah, it is technology, super fun. Yes, you found the second part, Kay. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Yes. All right. So I put a little much hot glue on this one. So just fair warning, when you are doing this DIY, use a little bit less glue than I did. I went over it twice. Is this really a piece of hair sticking out? Oh my gosh. I went over it twice. So it is kind of oozing out the edges, which is okay. It's not going to hurt anything, but I don't want you to have to go through that. So a little less is more, less is more. Look, it's coming out like a sandwich. It's a hot glue sandwich. Oh my word. It's okay. It just means it's going to stick, right? It means it's going to stick better. You don't have to be so aggressive with the glue as I am. Thank you so much, Kathy and May and Jan. You guys are super sweet. All right, so on this one, I think I'm good. So I did it halfway up. It still has the little hoop on the side. So I'm going to show you. This one is for my glasses. Someone else mentioned glasses. Yes, we are using it for my glasses. They literally just go in here. And I can hold it like this. I can find it down in my purse and just grab the hoop and loop or whatever, and they're in here. So they're in there. but I'm going to decorate it real quick. Of course, I got to decorate it real quick. I'm just trying to pick which side. Which side do I want to decorate it? I think I'm going to decorate it over here and call this the front. I'm right-handed, so it really throws me off. This is the piece of bling that I chose to decorate this with. All right, I'm getting it out. This one is silver because most of my stuff is silver. It's a pretty little rose. There we go. All right. Aw, you're so welcome. This one I'm going to put down by the loop because I just think that's where it looks prettiest. I'm sure I should be wearing either gloves or finger protectors, but just putting it on. Do both sides. What do you mean do both sides? I'll have to go back and read. Oh, Gail, the messy bow and bling. True, I could go that route. Little bit of glue showing. This is the pouch for the glasses. Guys, this is endless, 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 endless. Now I can get organized. I can be, here's my glasses. Can you see? Sorry, I can't see because I'm looking at a billion comments and then I have this thing that my phone's in, so I can't see, so I'm hoping you can see. Give me some love if you can see the project, and then the glasses are in here. And it's pretty nice because it's soft and pillowy. I got a pillowy one. And I got it plain black because I'm a very neutral, that's kind of my go-to. So I went with black. But yeah, definitely buffalo check would be cute. Here's the other project. Here's both of them. Let me see. This is the handle for this one. And then this is the handle for this one. Thanks y'all for the love. And thanks for sprinkling the love on this video. You guys are super sweet. Do both sides. Again, y'all are saying that. I don't know what you mean, do both sides. Yeah, I could. Oh, I know. I think you're thinking put bling on both sides. I totally could. But I didn't want to put all my bling on here, y'all. Things get in my purse and they like never surface again. And that is why I'm super pleased about the hoop, because I'll literally just be able to dig around in there and find the hoop and pull them out, okay? And then this is soft and puffy, so it's going to protect them from getting, really scratched up in my purse. They came with a case, but the case is so hard and it just goes blink, and it's hard to get sometimes with one hand. But this I can grab in here when I'm busy and my hands are full and just grab my glasses out of here. So of course with this one you could say some really cute sayings here too. I know I've seen people put little eyeballs for eyes. You could put your name. A lot of people have crickets and silhouettes and they can cut their own vinyl out on there. But I just thought it was a cute little quick 50-cent DIY project. 2 of them for getting just a little more organized for 2020. Tell me what you think. All right. Yes, phones. I don't know. This isn't quite big enough for my phone. I have a pretty big phone because I use it all the time. But yeah, if you could figure out how to put 2 of these together to make it for your phone, that would be a cute idea. Like I said, the ideas are endless. The decorating ideas on these are what's super endless. I think this one would be super cute with the bling trim on it, personally. And yeah. But yeah, if you have not checked out springcraftathon.com, listen, I have so many people who've signed up for VIP access. So many people. There's not a limited number of spots, but there is a limited amount of time. And a lot of the people who've signed up for VIP access haven't gone over yet to the Facebook group to join, which is part of what you paid for. So I'm going to encourage you right now, if you haven't checked out springcraftathon.com, go check out, register for prizes, sign up for VIP access. And if you have signed up for VIP access, head over to the VIP lounge where we are hanging out, waiting to get started. I'm so excited about that. All right. I think that's all I have for you right now. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of your Saturday. And yeah, I'm just reading this. It says boo-boo packs or 2 together for ice packs, boo-boo packs. Yeah, you'd have to put it in something waterproof, like a baggie, honestly, because it would get, oh, you're saying put the ice in the baggie and then put it in there. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Not gonna say no to that for sure. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.